Okay, this is Dr. Revati. Now, today we are going to discuss about mm, linear differential equation method. In this linear differential equation method, first of all, the given differential equation is said to be a linear if it satisfies y is dependent variable here and the differential coefficients are dy by dx. Then the equation satisfying the condition dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. This is the general solution of the linear differential equation. The differential equation satisfying the general solution of dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. Then this type of equation is called linear differential equation. Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Both p and q are the functions of x here. Next of all, working procedure of the linear differential equation method. First of all, how to solve the solution of the linear differential equation method. Now, I will explain working procedure. That is, first of all, the given differential equation comparing this general solution of the linear differential equation. That is dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. Next of all, we have to find out the integrating factor if equals to e power integral of p of x dx. Next of all, we have to find out the solution of the linear differential equation. The solution of the linear differential equation, now solving one equation and one formula is here, that is y into integrating factor equals to integral of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the solution of the linear differential equation. Okay, next now I will take one example of the differential equation here, that is solve dy by dx plus y into secant x equals to tan x. Okay, now I will take this example like this differential equation. Okay, here first of all this differential equation satisfying the condition dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. First of all, the given differential equation which is comparing dy by which is compare in the general equation of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. Okay, this differential equation must satisfy the linear equation of the form dy by dx. Here p of x means secant x into y equals to q of x means tan x. Okay, next of all, here write where p of x equals to secant x and q of x equals to tan x. Next of all, we have to find out the integrating factor. That is integrating factor if equals to e power integral of p of x dx. That is e power integral of p of x means secant x dx. That is e power integral of secant x means log of secant x plus tan x. Next of all, here e power log e means 1, therefore secant x plus tan x. IF is the secant x plus tan x. Okay, next here IF means here IF means secant x plus tan x. Next of all, find out the solution of the linear differential equation. Now, solution of the linear differential equation is y into integrating factor IF, that is y into secant x plus tan x. Next equals to integral of q of x integrating factor into dx plus c. Q of x means tan x, integrating factor means secant x plus tan x into dx plus c. Okay, next now integrating this, that is first of all here write tan x into secant x, tan x into secant x dx plus integral of tan square x dx plus c. Next of all, integral of tan x secant x means secant x integration plus this can be written as first of all tan square x means secant square x minus 1 dx plus c here. Next of all, we have to write here secant x plus integral of secant square x dx minus integral of 1 dx plus c. Okay, finally the solution of the given differential equation is here y into secant x plus tan x equals to secant x plus integration of secant square x means tan x plus tan x. Here integral of secant square x dx, integral of secant square x means tan x minus integral of 1 dx means x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. I mean dy by dx here now take this example means dy by dx plus y secant x equals to tan x. The solution of this differential equation, I mean the solution of the linear differential equation is in this problem is y into secant x plus tan x equals to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. Okay, thank you.